Guys, what's up? So today we're going to be continuing our palette journey, and if you are new to this channel and don't know what that means, it means that I am using every single palette that I own to create a look for you guys. So today we are going to be using the Romantic Beauty Mariposa palette as well as the Paradise palette. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. Okay, so the shade that I'm starting out with first is called Living Coral, right up here at the top. And I'm just gonna take that and place that right above my crease and blend upwards. I'm going in with the shade Magenta and just deepening up that crease. So now I'm in the Tropical palette and I'm taking the shade Seashore. And I'm just gonna place that on the outer portion of this cut out area. Now I'm going in with the shade Skyline, which is that lighter blue, and we are just further blending this down. Now I'm going in with Meadow. And then finishing up that lid area, just taking a little bit of Sunrise and placing that right in here. Now I'm gonna take this top glitter right here called Prairie from the Tropical palette, as well as this top glitter from the Mariposa palette. And this one is called Pale Marigold, and it's got some stars in there as well. We're going to mix those two together and place them on top of that yellow area. So now I'm taking Urban Decay's 24/7 Shadow Stick in the shade Chaos, and I'm just going to line my eye with this. And then I'm just going to apply all of those same shades on my lower lash line area, blending out that liner a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna take the Half Magic Beauty Chrome Addiction in the shade Off the Deep End, and I'm just going to outline that whole area. And then we'll go in with a lighter shade of blue and kind of double outline that area. And now I'm just going to apply a ton of glitter. I am applying some Beat Gang lashes. These are in the style Pinky Promise. And yeah, I'm gonna apply a lip and I'll be right back with the final look. And here is the final look. Well, that is it, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.